to another video. Yes, I know I haven't done a video in a longer time, but this is a driving game. It's not the best driving game. It's a car crash game, but yeah, pretty good. As you can see, you can play with me on Roblox. With me. So I can change things, radio. God, oh God. Oh God. Welcome back again, guys, to another video. If you're new here, this is just me playing Roblox. And yes, if you want to play with me on Roblox, you can. Open the door. Yeah, I know I haven't been on here for a while, but that's a whole lot, you know? Jeez, oh, freak. Yeah, I'm not the best driver. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so laggy. Oh my God. Kid. Ow. Oh my God. Oh, you know what? I'm just out. There is no way I can save that car. No way. Absolutely not. I'm gonna spawn another car. This time, which color should I want? Oh, black. Nice and black. What the heck am I doing? Oh, flashlight. Not the best. Sit down. Where's the seat? That's not the correct seat. Light. So, welcome back to another video. Oh yeah, that jam. It's a jam, bro. Jam, bro. Yeah. What should I do next after this? God. Oh my God. Oh, dude. Never trust me driving. Oh. I think I already just ended my thing. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Delicious, right? Jeez, help! Why is it raining outside anyway? Ignition. Oh, jeez! Brother, I can go up to the third gear. Ow! Bro, I can't run. My engine just stopped because of that. Oh, I broke my headlight, bro. I can't see. Don't mind that. I'm just gonna do that. So you can see more of the game instead. Should I just crash this thing? Yeah, why not? Jeez, what the heck? I'm gonna leave that car there, so I can just ride over there. Anyway, welcome. Yeah, I'm a little weird. I wish there was like guns in this game. Yeah. Let's leave and go back to here. Now we should be able to play something fun. Ooh. FPS aimbot grounds. This is good. I believe this is good. I don't know if I tried this. Oh yeah, sniper. I'm definitely going in with that sniper. Easy, bro. Oh my god, did you see that? Shoot. Easy. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna turn up the volume so you guys can hear this. I immediately just got destroyed. Boom. Ah, dang it. That was good though, right? Oh, dang, bro. I'm third, fifth. I mean, what the heck? Owie! Guys, he hurt me. He hurt me, guys. I'm just kidding. What? Bro, why did I die again, bro? How the heck did he kill me? This is obviously going to be the same 10-minute or even 15-minute long video. Oh, God. How the heck did he kill me? How the heck did he kill me? How the heck did he kill me? Yeah. Headshot. Oh, dang. That's crazy. If you like this video, please comment and say that you like this video. Comment and leave a like. Easy. These are not even that good sweats, bruh. Dang, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Bro, why did I fall off the map? Bro, I fell off the map. That's so embarrassing. If you like this video, delicious. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to. Okay. And this is good, isn't it? This is a good video, isn't it? Very good video. That's crazy, bro. Don't know if I can make a face reveal or not. This is gonna be crazy because probably gonna be, you're probably gonna be shocked. Oh God. Oh God. How did he get me? Alrighty. Oh my God. How did he get me that far? I'm confused now. How did he do this? Alright, let's go. Alright. That's it, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye, y'all.